Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we're going to show you collapsible content in Bootstrap. It's really cool. It allows you to hide some content. Let's say click a button and it opens the content, and it obviously closes it as well when you click the button again. To do it, it's really simple. First of all, you want to actually create something that is going to be interactable. So we're going to use a button, but you can use another element if you wanted to. You can use an ahref. You can really use whatever you want. So let's just quickly get this button created. Type our button. We have separate videos covering buttons, so check them out for more information on that and what is going on here, because we're not really going to be covering buttons in this video. So you need a data dash toggle collapse. So this is crucial for whatever element you're using. You need data dash target, another crucial attribute, and for this you simply want to put the ID of your collapsible content. I'm just going to put collapse ID, keep it really simple, area dash expanded, got to spell expanded correctly, equals false, area dash controls equals, for this we're just going to put the same as the collapse ID but without the hash, and then inside the button we're simply going to put some text. I'm going to say click me please. Below the button we are going to put our collapsible content. So we're going to put div, and the div needs a class of collapse, an ID which is the data dash target that we've set. Then inside here we need another div, and this div has a class of card. Actually, technically you don't need this div. I'm just putting this div so I'm creating basically a card to display some text. No, actually I'm going to keep it simple. I'm not going to put anything in here apart from some raw text, because you can put whatever you want inside the collapse. Once you have this div set up, you're good to go. So I'm basically just going to go to Google, get a random paragraph, so random paragraph generator. I do use this website a lot. So yeah, that looks a-okay to me. Copy that in, refresh the web page. We've got a button. You might be thinking, where's the text? By default, the collapsible content is hidden. It's all handled behind the scenes. So if I click that, as you can see, it now appears. Click it again and it disappears, and it's got a really cool animation to it. So that's collapsible content. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on our education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. There will be a link in the description to that, along with the source code from this video. There will be another video covering accordion collapsible content. Check that out. Please rate, comment and subscribe, as it really does help us understand what you like and what you don't like about our videos. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.